Since the outbreak of COVID-19, the increasing infections have been a threat to our lives. One major issue is to maintain social distancing, especially in workplace. This has been our concern. Therefore, we developed this bracelet. In near real time, workers receive a vibration and red light warning to let them know they are closer than 6 feet to another. In case of infection, we can track bracelet ID that is presumed to be infected and track whom he have been in closely contacted. Then we will know the employees that presume to be infected. After work, remove bracelet and use sanitizer to clean it. IP67 waterproof. For more information,